Hello there, it's Paul here and welcome everyone. It's Christmas Eve at the moment while I'm recording this, and I'm hoping to get this out on Christmas Day to wish you all a Merry Christmas and thank you very much for your support that you've given me throughout the year. It's been a bit of an odd year and I may well do a sort of like an end of year roundup to talk about that anyway, but certainly for everybody the last couple of years with COVID about and everything, it's been really strange. And it's going to be another quiet Christmas this year, and the difference this year I think compared to probably last year was that last year we probably all knew somebody who had probably had COVID or knew somebody who had COVID, whereas this year with the new strain I think it's a case that we know somebody who's got COVID at the moment. A few videos back I did the video on the flowers making, and I hope you can see there it's the sort of like the central piece I've done as well with the yellow piece in there. This was all part of a large project. I actually made about 20 of these. Let's just show how many I was doing. So all part of the same project, I made a larger one of these, and it didn't really suit the project. It got too big. So hopefully I'm going to show a picture here on the side. And this is what I ended up with, that particular large one. And it's been shipped down to my mum for a Christmas present for her. And so it's not gone to waste. But I then went off and then I made this one, which was a lot better. It was the size I wanted. I've also made some petals for it to sit on, but when it came part of the big project for what these were, the colour just didn't work. I love this colour on here, the purple and the yellow works really well, but when you'll see the project in a moment, it just didn't really work. It was just too dark. What I ended up with was this one. This is going to be the Christmas present for my wife this year. So I've got on the bottom here an oak solid base. I've got a row of open segmented ash rings there and a closed segmented ash ring as well. And here you can see there's the 20 flowers I've made. The initial ones I made, all the flowers are out of oak apart from I think this main one in the middle here, which might be beech. And I wanted to start off with these darker oak flowers in the middle here, which I've just ebonised them with my ebonising solution. All of them have the same inner parts there with the yellow bits. The main flower, as I said, this purple one on there just didn't look right. It was just too dark because of the darker flowers I got round here. So I then went off and remade this one, and it's got a red with a little bit of yellow and a slight bit of orange in there. The stems are all just pieces of beech that I've just turned off on here. The base in here for the brown bit, I mean I don't know whether it actually shows on the camera there or not. I've actually just took a piece of beech, domed it off, roughed it all off with a Dremel, and then just coloured it with my walnut colouring just to give it that sort of soil colour. Everything has had one or two coats of gloss lacquer on there. Now I didn't want this really shiny. I think we've got a nice sort of shine on the on the outside of the vase there. Some of the flowers actually do pick up a little bit of shine in places, but not all over, and I'm really pleased with that, and I'm hoping that's one that my wife's going to be happy with. And I've probably also got more ideas of what to do for future presents with flowers, but that I'm really pleased with, and everything is glued in place so it's not coming out. So it's that sort of last minute rush of trying to do some presents. I hadn't actually planned on doing anything for the children this year. I normally do something on the scroll saw, but my daughter came out when she see the flowers. She said, "Oh, I hope you are making me something." She said, "I want something to remember you by." I mean, I'm not going anywhere yet, so unless you know something different than I do. So I decided to have a little play with something, and I've just stick the camera down here. So I've got, she does like AC/DC, so I've actually sort of cut the letters out here. Those two bits have got to go on the back there. I've just got a backing board that I'm spraying at the moment. And what I plan to do on this, because it just doesn't look right fully square, so obviously with the lightning strike there, I've sort of just come up with some form of an odd shape there. So that's what I'm going to do there. My son doesn't want anything, but I thought, right, well, I'll do something for his girlfriend anyway. She's actually got some mice as her pets, so I just sort of quickly went on the scroll saw and cut out various mice. So, and I might even give one of those to my daughter because she's also got some mice as well. So that's sort of like the last minute things that I'm doing at the moment, just trying to finish these off, so hopefully they'll get finished tonight or tomorrow. And as I say, really thank you very much for all your support and everything. Hope you have a nice Christmas. If you don't support Christmas, I mean, hopefully you're having a break of some sort, and enjoy your break anyway. And thanks a lot, and hopefully I will get a video up for New Year's Day, trying to get out between Christmas and New Year, just to probably do a roundup of the year. And if you normally, as you see my shed under my sign there, I've usually got the year sign, so hopefully I'll just come up with another idea for a different year sign. I've got all my previous ones up there that I've done as well, so I'd never throw them away, and it's just interesting to see how my patterns change each year. So hope you have a great time. Thanks a lot for watching.